Coinbase going to $100. All right, this is a big statement, but let's have a look what's going on with this name. So all-time highs ever since it went public, 429. Current price, market price, on Thursday it closed at 147. You guys can see this is a daily chart of the stock. I have been watching this downtrend. You can see this blue line. We broke out of this level very slow, not like a convincing, like strong move up, but it was sort of a melt up, and I would take this as a breakout if it did get back above 210. So it couldn't get back above that level, and it couldn't make higher lows, and instead today it printed another lower lows. All-time lows today, 146. So at the time of this filming this video, no, I don't have any position. I don't own any stocks. I don't own any options right here, right now. So from here, I do think that the stock can drop a lot more, but what's the range? I mean, how do you know how much it's gonna drop? Like, where are you getting the $100 price target? I mean, I'm looking at when I don't know like how low stock can go higher, or how higher it can go if it's making new all-time highs. I look at the average true range just for a daily context to know like what's the daily range it trades with. Plus I look at the standard deviations. So at the moment, if this stock moves 2 standard deviations from whatever it is right now, it would put the stock at around $110. Okay, but average true range for the stock is $11. So which means it can go up or down $11 any given day. That was the average true range for the past 14 trading sessions. That's my settings actually for the average true range. That's what I use. So that's most relevant in my opinion. This is the standard, but still. So, and also market capitalization of a Coinbase at the moment is 32 billion. Okay, so if it drops from here, let's say 30%, which would be 50 points, right? This stock would be still worth around $22 billion. Okay, so I don't like to compare it to anything else but Robinhood, because on Robinhood you can still trade crypto, right? And you could, well, for some time now. And also, Robinhood's market capitalization is much lower than that, and they do pretty much the same. Okay, the way they make money is commissions. The more BTC volatile, the more money they will make. And the more people come in, the more money they make. And at the moment, if you look at the BTC, let's take a look at the BTC for let's take a look at the quarterlies, all right, just to have an idea what it has been doing, maybe even monthly. Let me get rid of this standard deviations. We'll take a look at the probability of that stock coming down like to those levels, what option market is pricing in. But if you look at the BTC for Q1, it's in the range. It hasn't done much. It's been between 45 and 35. Okay, and if you look at the volume, well, it's not super exciting volume here. I mean, it's decent volume, average volume probably, but there's not much of an excitement, okay, about crypto. I think. I mean, the most excited times were when this stock broke out of this 30,000, 20,000, 50,000, and then if you look at it for the past 6 months or so, stock is, BTC is not doing much. And if BTC goes lower, I mean, it doesn't have to go lower. If overall market goes lower, Coinbase can go lower. This is a monthly chart for Coinbase, okay? And if you look at the monthly chart for the past 6 months, including April, it has not been positive. The only months it was positive ever since it went public, it was June, August, and October. That's it. So by looking at this chart, I of course I'm sounding very, very bearish on this video, but I mean, that's what I'm looking at. It's downtrending, okay? And when stocks are downtrending, they can go much lower than you think. Earnings scheduled 12th of May. So let's say, what's the probability that this stock is going to move 2 standard deviations to $111, $110? So I'm going to look at the option activity some more. Yeah, looks like I have tried to day trade this name in the morning, but no luck, break even, got out. So let's take a look at the May 20th. All right, what's the probability that it's gonna come down to 110 by May 20th? 110, 18%. So stock is implying $31 move before May 20th, basically. IV is 82%. So if I see the stock stay below 150, I will most likely try to trade it to the downside with bigger size. Today, I think I tried to, can I see my position here? Now let's go to monitor. So today, it was pretty much testing the waters. I think I went for a daily 148 in the morning, and it was, I think I got in for $1, got out for $1 maybe. So yeah, you can see it. It was 2 contracts. Looks like I made 28 bucks. It was just testing the waters. All right, and pretty much watching this name to the downside. If you don't like it, I mean, it might be super biased, but I don't have a position. Okay, I'm watching this name. There was a guy, if you guys don't know, a week ago, I think, Chanos. What was the guy's name? Coinbase short. So he's an activist short seller, Jim Chanos. Okay, yeah, that's the guy. He revealed that pretty much what he said is, I don't understand this stock. Why worth this much, basically? And he disclosed publicly that he's short Coinbase somewhere March 18th. So it's been exactly 1 month. And after that, of course, stock was at that time, stock was trading at lows at these 150-ish levels. It did go to 200 and then came right back down. So yeah, let's see what it does. But again, I'm pretty much sell biased this stock right here at these levels, just based on price action. That's it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.